Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss date picker in Power App, Canvas app. So first, let me explain what a date picker is. A date picker is a control that allows users to select a date from a calendar instead of typing it manually. In Canvas apps, it is very useful when we need to select date of birth, joining date, appointment date, order date. So this is our blank canvas app. Now I want to insert a date picker. Go to the insert, search as date picker. So I am using the modern one. As you can see, the date picker is added to the app. And if you can zoom in and zoom out from here. Now insert a text label. So select this text label and then select the text property. Remove the existing text and add the following formula. Date picker canvas 2 dot selected date. Here, date picker canvas 2 is the name of our date picker control, and selected date is the property that stores the date selected by the user. So whenever we selected any date from the date picker, selected date will capture that value and the label will display it. Now preview the app. Like if I select this date, you can see it is visible in the label. This means our date picker is working properly. So in this video, we covered date picker in Power App, Canvas app, how to insert it, how to use the selected date property, and how to display the selected date in a label. Thanks for watching.